Hi guys, this is Adil and remember my last video I have told about introduction of a calisthenic, but lot of people told me that it was a comparison between gym and calisthenic, but no, it was not like that. I have also told you about you can do both, like gym also and calisthenic, whatever you wish to. Like I do both. I do gym and calisthenic together, like alternative manner, one day gym, one day calisthenic. But the point is we are having lockdown and all, gyms are closed, parks are closed. So from last 2-3 months I'm not working out on myself, and I have lost my strength. And people might have going through the same phase whatever I am going through. So if you have place like on your building, at home, or somewhere around your building, like I'm doing on my terrace, so you can use that also if you are having. And you can work out at your home also, like if you want to do it. This is about the introduction of calisthenic, and people who have not watched my previous video, just go and just watch on my channel. It was an introduction of calisthenic, and lot of people doesn't know about what is calisthenic. Calisthenic is basically a body weight workout. Whatever you do with your body, it's like that. So this video I will tell you how to start calisthenic and what you should do to get your strength back, like after 3-4 months. For beginners I will tell you what to do, and for people who are not working out because of lockdowns and close, so you can just watch it and make your motivations. So starting it, a lot of people will tell me why you're not wearing mask, why you're not taking precautions. So I am carrying it right over here. So whenever I will get people over here, so I can wear it. I'm not having anyone here, so I'm not wearing. But yes, whenever I go down, like outside my building or wherever, I do wear it. So please take precautions and wear mask for your safety. At the beginning you have to do 10-15 minutes of warm up. Like most of the people don't do warm up and all, and they get cramps and body pain. So warm up is very important for starting any workout, like in gym also, in calisthenic also, any kind of workout you're doing, just start with warm up. And also for dancing you have to start with warm up only. So let's start warming up.
Just because the gym's closed doesn't mean that you have to skip your workout. Stop making excuses and start your workout at home.
To 15 minutes of warming up, you can start your workout, like starting with pull-ups, push-ups and squats. Squats is very important, like you have to make your base first, so don't skip it. Lots of people skip doing legs workout because it's boring, I know. So please do your squats and legs workout. Pull-ups, gaining your grip and strength, you can use, it is better to use a pull-up bar, but I'm not having over here, so I will show you on my rooftop of this. So let's start. So hang yourself for 10-15 minutes. I'm saying about beginners, I'm talking about beginners over here. So just hang for 10-15 seconds, or whatever your strength give you. So take 2-second, 3-second breaks and just hang yourself for 10-15 seconds on a pull-up bar, or you're having rooftop like this, you can do it over there also. Repeating that hanging on pull-ups bar for 3-4 times. Try to pull yourself up like you are doing pull-ups. So let me show you. And please don't just kick yourself up like this. You might cause your cramps and all, like on thigh or on shoulder. You can hurt yourself. So don't do like this. Please don't do this. You can hurt yourself. Just try to pull yourself using your shoulder, arms, not your legs. And core, you can use your core also to lift yourself up. So you can have enough strength for gain your enough strength for pull-ups. So similarly, you can do pull-ups, and after repeating it for 3-4 times, you can change this. Once you are done 3-4 sets of pull-ups, you have to change your workout and do push-ups or squats or crunches. I will do push-ups secondly, then I will do squats, then I will do crunches. So let's do it. Once you're done with squats, you can switch to crunches. So let's start.
Just because the gyms boost doesn't mean...
This was the basic 4 things for any beginners to start calisthenics, or people who have took so long break, or they are not going to gym because of lockdown, so they can start doing this wherever they get place and time. So if you are having any questions or ideas for what should I post and what should I do, and having any kind of question, you can ask me or comment below, so I can put it on another video. I can make variations of pull-ups, push-ups, or crunches, whatever you want to learn. You can ask and ask for it. So that's what it. Be safe.